Hello cuties, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to make my 19th birthday dress. I'm so excited. Actually, this is my first time ever making a dress. Well, you know, I love dressing extra and out of the box, but for this, my vision was a little more dainty, classy, simple, but with a twist. Obviously. I closed my eyes and the first thing that popped up in my head was a long black satin dress. Now these are the inspos that Pinterest provided me with, and this is the final design that I came up with. Now let's see how it goes and enjoy. So these are the 3 panels for the first layer of the top. This is the front panel and these are the 2 back panels, and this is the zipper that's going to go in between. I wanted to add a zipper so it's easier to put on. And now let's go to my favorite part, sewing. Hello loves, this is the next day. Yesterday I finished making the first layer of the top, which is this with just a chain on the back, and today I was working on the second layer of the top. This is it, and basically this second layer will have a corset detail on the back because I want it to fit me like perfectly and I can adjust it however I want. This I'm gonna sew on top of this on the first layer. Till now, I finished cutting and sewing all the edges of the second layer. So now let's get to the sewing part. Hi, so I sewed this on top and this is basically what it looks like. Very weird, I know, but I'm gonna make all the corset details here and it's gonna cinch in everything. Hello cuties, it's been a couple of days since I last filmed and worked on my dress because I got busy with some college stuff. But anyways, I am done with the top portion of the dress, except I just need to make the holes to pass the ribbon for the corset detail. I was currently working on the bottom part, that is the skirt part of the dress, and I cut a huge amount of fabric because I'm gonna gather it to make the skirt. We're gonna then join it to the top part, which is later. But today is 17th December and tomorrow is my birthday. I'm making my birthday dress the day prior to my birthday. But the thing is, I'm not gonna wear it tomorrow. I'm gonna wear it on Sunday, which is 22nd December. And I just need this dress to be ready by then. So I have quite a lot of time. I will probably just need 1 or 2 days to finish this entire thing. And I just don't want to work on it right now. I did a little bit and the rest I'm gonna follow up from Thursday, I guess. It's Tuesday right now. Finish this somehow. So I was working on the skirt part of my fabric and this is how much is done till now. Basically this is 2 big panels of fabric that I sewed together. I hemmed the bottom and on the top part I made this like ruffles kind of thing, and this is going to be attached on the top part like this. Also, I did not sew the other part of the skirt because I was skeptical if I want a slit or not. Oh, I caught her, she's probably asleep. Oh, I caught her, she doesn't wanna meet. Oh, honey, bunny, sugar, coming. Why entire dress is almost done. Only a few extra add-ons are left. I want to add like some stones or crystals on the top part. Also, I want to add like a big bow or ribbon, like not ribbon, big bow on like the waist area or somewhere. Because I don't know, I just want it to be a little extra and the bows are pretty.
And I'm just a girl.
The last thing we need to sew is the bow. I don't know how to make a big bow, but I'm sure any YouTube tutorial will teach me. So I'm kind of tired of sewing at this point, honestly.
But I can't give up because it's almost done, so let's get to work.
When you're here with me, baby, say the word and we can disappear. We run all the lights to our getaway. Oh, you're my getaway. Let's get away, seeing all the damage that we need to leave. And if we make it out, it won't be make believe. We run all the lights to our getaway. Oh, you're my getaway. Lights will expose the night. We're getting closer. Blonde waves crashing on me. As long as we're gone, it's where we belong. Maybe we're just passing through. Meet me at the hotel room. We've been busy sleeping. We could live our dream and take like it's right. Just go with the feeling. Take my hand. We'll ruin our plans. We'll leave it all behind. We gotta when you're here.
So I had a little change of plans as usual. Basically what happened was I was tying the back of the dress and I realized that I don't have enough black ribbon, but what I did have instead was red ribbon, and I thought I'll give it a try, and I did, and I'm glad I did because I really liked it.
I just loved the combo of black and red.
It kind of reminds me of vampire kind of vibe. That's not what I'm trying to go for, but just reminded me of it.
And I really liked it.
Luckily, I also had red satin and red stones from a dress that I made a long time ago. The bow and the stones that I was supposed to add using black stones and black satin, I decided to do it with red stones and red satin instead. And I am liking the results. So I'm not gonna gatekeep. Let's go. Let's see what the result is.
My darling, rose and fire. You're a liar. You say, my darling, rose and fire. And fire. You say, my darling, rose and fire. You're a liar. Shivers my spine, so swimming in the waves, swimming in the rain. I'm trying to let go of what's happening.
Alright guys, that was it for the video. Thank you so much for watching. Let me know your thoughts on the dress, and also very grateful if you're still watching. Also, if you want to watch my birthday vlog, it will be up on my vlog channel. I will leave the link for the video down in the description as soon as it's posted. This video will go up before that, so go ahead and watch it if you want a little glimpse of my life and my birthday. And thank you so much for watching. Bye.
White collar,